Hello guys, how are you doing? Been a long time no see. Throughout these days the weather has been horrible, but things have been changed. There has been a cyclone, and after that we got this pleasant, nice, beautiful weather. So I was like, you know what, it's been a long time, let's go for a short ride. It feels so good. The breeze is very breezy. It's so cool. And I'm also very curious how the beach looks today because of the cyclone and all. Today is the day we have seen the sun. So up to yesterday it has been raining like crazy. It's not very huge or big rain, but small rain, but it has been doing it continuously throughout the day, so we can't get out or do anything. Today is a pleasant day. Also, I have been observing, whenever there is a holiday, many people are coming to this beach because it's like 12-13 kilometers from my town. All the town people, they're just choosing this as their getaway spot. Beach calms you down. It has that effect on people. It definitely makes you feel, it gives enough of that serotonin, so people will feel somewhat happy, elated after visiting a good beach at a good time. Timing is also very crucial. Wow, it feels very good. It's been a long time since I rode my bike also. It's been sitting at my home doing nothing, accumulating all the dust. Look at my speedometer, guys. It's so dusty. Actually, I did cover my bike, but it is what it is. We don't have a proper garage. It just so it attracts all these elements. What are these guys doing? No idea. The road is still being constructed. After the work is completed, it will be good, but now it's bad. Whenever I try these kind of terrains, my bike keeps telling me, dude, I'm not meant for this. Buy another bike for that. I'm not that kind. Straight away. Oh God, I don't think I can pass through that. Okay, there is a way. If it falls, I can't even lift it on my own from the ground. That's how heavy it is. Off-roading with GT. Sorry, mine is an Interceptor. See, even though I'm riding, I'm still searching about that thumbnail, looking for the thumbnail text. Okay. So everything is going extremely good up to this point, but when we reached the beach, we have met a common friend and we had a hangout with him and we had some fun. After that, we were just enjoying the view and this happened. So there are a bunch of teenagers. They are playing kabaddi. They played it for some time and after the game is finished, two of them decided to have a bath in the beach. So the two of those guys knows how to swim. They decided to go into the beach, but the problem here is, if you can see, the river is merging into the sea. So the river is flowing into the direction of the sea, and also the sea is also pulling them. So they went down into the water, but they are unable to get out from the water. So at that time, that fisherman in the red dress, he immediately saw what was happening and he had that anticipation what is about to happen, and he immediately strides toward them. So there, in action, rescued them. What could have been a disastrous day for them, he saved it completely. You can see he is struggling even after he picked up that kid. He's struggling to get to the shore. That is how strong the current is there. But they made it. They are safe. Everything is good and it has a happy end.